I got a taste of the real world. I got battered on the North Shore. It gave me comfort when I always knew that. I always knew that you were there for me next door. I lived it hard on the long road. I ran through every single zip code. I get lonely, but I always knew that. I always knew that your heart I could call home, and nothing could ever stand in our way. Whether it all falls down, whether it all falls through, I know that you'll be waiting there for me when I come through. Even if I get knocked down, even if I get pushed through, I know you'll be standing there for me, strong like a statue, oh, like a statue, statue, oh, like a statue, statue, oh, like a statue, statue.
Kasi yun yung very ideal setting. Diba? The people from the LGU, academe, SMEs, they're really working together.
Max, you were always like that.
For example, nandun na sa plano. Pero yung mga taong bayan, nag-resolution nila, sila, sir, kailangan namin ng ganito. So, okay, yung budget na ito, doon na lang
Could ever stand in our way. Whether it all falls down, whether it all falls through, I know that you'll be waiting there for me when I come through. Even if I get knocked down, even if I get pushed through, I know you'll be standing there for me, strong like a statue, like a statue.
Now, pag-naintindihan ko na smart city is using the technology to get data for you to use it to uplift the standard of life of the people.
Oh, 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 oh.